Hey, it's Eran here. I'm doing a quick tutorial on a tool that you will want to use potentially in your YouTube marketing or some other training you might want to do, video content. This is called Loom, okay? This is a Chrome extension, okay? So basically it's a Chrome extension, you have to download it, okay? Once it's downloaded, like I think the way to download, let me just find it. If you just go to Chrome and then you just say download, use Loom extension. Let's see what comes up. And then you click this. Okay, I already have an account, so it actually just shows the videos that I've done, right? But you know, you'll be able to, let's just see if we've got something else here. You'll see here, there's a support, oh, there's a Chrome extension right here as well. Because I already downloaded, it won't show it, but this is the one to download, okay? So is this, I will leave a link as well below so you'll be able to get it, okay? So it's very simple. You basically click this, okay? And then it will tell you, you see, now once you actually click it, I'll show you exactly what it looks like, right? So this is a video I just did, okay? Now, all you do is you click this, and then it will actually load, and you could do screen and camera, and then you could see me, hello, and then you could do screen only as well, and then this is just a picture, and you could do camera only, okay, which will be the whole of me. Now, I don't think the camera only will work right now because I'm actually recording this screen. So anyway, you get the idea. Or maybe it does work. Anyway, it doesn't matter. Now you could do full desktop. You could have the microphone on or off. You say start recording. You also have notifications. So for example, if somebody watches any of your videos, it will actually give you a notification, okay? Now, let me show you a little bit around here. So you can actually trim your videos. You can password your videos. There's settings. So you could leave place for comments if you want, notifications, emojis. Viewer can download it if they want. I don't want somebody to download it. So you could tick it like that, okay? If you record it, the way I do it, because what I'm using right now to make this recording, I'm actually using QuickTime Player, okay? Which you can see right here, right below. And that's what I'm using. So, and I'll show you QuickTime Player as an example because I actually do, I've got random stuff on it, right? QuickTime Player is great for various reasons, okay? And I'll probably do a tutorial on that as well on its own. But anyway, you see I'm doing the screen recording. That's why I can't actually click it because that's what I'm doing. But the point is that with QuickTime Player, you only have three options. You have movie recording, screen recording, or audio recording, okay? So because of these options, you don't have, we've used Loom, you have this little window which is pretty cool and I really like it. So what I do is I record my videos on Chrome, okay? And once I do that, I then download it right here, okay? Now you can also, if you want, you can actually share, so you can get the link of the use Loom. You can embed it, you can post it to Twitter, post it to Facebook, post it to Gmail, whatever you want to do, okay? Let's show you an example. So I'm going to post this to Facebook, see if that works, just because this video that I'm actually showing you is actually relevant. So let's just post it. There you go. If anyone is interested in my one-on-one coaching, please check out the video I just recorded on my offer. Also, more details here. And let me just get the link. You'll see some other stuff here. There you go. That's the page. I'm saving it, put it here, and let's post to Facebook, okay? So we'll automatically go to Facebook. Now, there is also, you can copy this link if you want as well, and you can just play around. There's other little things here. You see these two people that actually watch my video, for example. Learn more, you can, there's other things you can play around. I haven't actually played around with all this. My videos, obviously things that I've recorded already. account, add Slack app, invite teammates. There you go. So that's to give you an idea of how this works. You just click play and it will let you start playing. Hey everybody, Eran here. So it's pretty straightforward. It's a great little app. It is 100% free, and it's a great tool if you're doing tutorials for your YouTube marketing or anything along these lines. Hope that helps, and I'll see you in the next section.